Right. Good morning, everyone. So last class we are trying to understand keywords, and I gave you different keywords given in different versions. I mean the terminology I gave you. So finally, Java 21 version onwards. I mean Java 19, Java 19 version onwards. We have the terminology for using the keywords is reserved keywords and contextual keywords. Right? Okay. There are totally 70 keywords are there. Sorry, totally 70 reserved words are there. You should not say keywords. You should say reserved words. Totally 70 reserved words are there. Among them, 47 were available from Java 1.0. New keyword strict FP available from strict FP is available from 1.2. Next, from 1.4 onwards, we have SR. 1.5 or 5 version onwards, enum. 9 version onwards, underscore. In Java 9 version, we have 10 new keywords are added. 10 new keywords. In Java 9 version, in addition to the underscore, we also have 10 more new keywords are added. Are those 10 keywords are called keywords or restricted keywords? Restricted keywords. Why are they called restricted keywords? Because those keywords are act as a keywords only in one area, one particular area. The particular area is called module program. What we call module program. As part of the module program only, they are considered as a keyword. Suppose I am creating a class called example, open bracket, closed bracket. Now this is a module program area or class program area. What I have written? Class example. Now this open bracket, closed bracket is which area? Class area. Inside the class, can I create variable? Yes. The variable name can be any of these 10 words. So totally how many keywords available in Java 9 version? 10 new keywords. These 10 new keywords are not called as a keywords. They are called what? Restricted keywords. What the meaning of restricted? They are considered as a keyword only some area. Restricted area, this much area only the tigers has to come. Restricted area, you cannot go inside, only few people can go. Then so the keywords which are considered as a keywords only in the module program, not considered as a keywords in other program like a class program, we call them as what? Restricted keyword. Is it clear? Next, in Java 10 version, we have one special word we got called var, var, var. What is the word? Var, var, var. So this var is not a keyword, is not a restricted keyword. It is just an identifier. Identifier means what? Name. It is just a name. Can I use this just a name as my user-defined identifier? Yes, I can use them as a user-defined identifier, no problem. But in some cases, it is having some special meaning. So that's why it is called as what? Special identifier or restricted identifier. Special identifier or restricted identifier. Like where in a next version, Java 11, Java 12, Java 13, Java 14, next version, totally we have extra 5 more words are there. Totally how many are there? 6. These 6 special words are called special identifiers or restricted identifiers. Is it clear, everyone? So totally how many words are there? 70. Now the 70 are divided into 3 categories. Number 1, keywords. Number 1, keywords. Number 2, restricted keywords. Number 3, special identifiers. Number 4, restricted, reserved literals. Reserved literals. I repeat once again. First one, keywords. Second one, reserved literals. Second one, reserved literals. Third one, restricted keywords. Fourth one, reserved identifiers or special identifiers. What is the order available? First, keywords. Next, literals. Reserved literals or default literals. Next one, reserved keywords, and then special identifier. So our 70 words are divided into 4 categories: keywords, literals, restricted keywords, special identifiers. Clear my point? These 70 words are according to our initial onwards. These are the 4 categories. But Java 19 version onwards, having these many divisions is confusion to the people. That's why they make it as what? Two groups. What is that? Reserved keywords and contextual keywords. So now how many reserved keywords are there? 51. Contextual keywords, how many are there? 16. So this is what we discussed in last class. Okay, what I am trying to think now, instead of giving this entire list now, anyways, you cannot remember. It's a waste of the time. What I am trying to tell, I'm going to upload all these notes. You just copy into your notes. Clear my point? Instead of spending the time here to copy all these keywords list, I will upload the file, the complete list of the keywords under the each operation, how many keywords are there. Just make a notes by your own, so that in coming days, going on, that category keywords only one topic we are using as a chapter and trying to learn. These are the 10 operations. Package creation and usage, some keywords are there. Class creation, some keywords are there. Variable and method creation, some keywords are there. Let us pick one chapter, one topic. What are the keywords under that? What are the purpose of each keyword? How to write a program we are going to learn. Is it clear? So instead of wasting the time of listing all the keywords, you will not enjoy much. Okay, let's not waste the time. Let's move to the next chapter now. Okay, leave one page. Complete one paper, front to back. Complete one paper, front to back paper, leave it. And I will share these documents in the Google Classroom. Later you try to copy. And next, reserved words. What is the difference between keyword and reserved word? Listen, keyword perform one operation. Reserved word doesn't perform any operation. That's called reserved word. Okay. Next, for example, you take null is a reserved word. You take true, reserved word. They doesn't perform any operation. Okay. Next, tokens. Token means what? A smallest unit in a program. Java tokens and types of Java tokens. What is a token? A token is a smallest unit in a program. Suppose I am taking this program here. Observe now, class addition. Can you understand this code now? Daily we are discussing it. Int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, int c equal to a plus b. Now in this program, observe carefully. Here, this addition, open bracket, closed bracket, this entire big picture is represented by the keyword called what? Class. Next, open bracket to closed bracket, that entire big picture is represented by what? Addition. So what is a token? A token is the smallest unit in a program that cannot be divided further. A class is a one token. Name, addition, one token. Totally Java program is divided into 5 tokens. What many tokens? 5 tokens. Class addition, class, int. Tell me what all these are. Come on. Class, int. What these are? Array, class is a keyword, na? Int is also a keyword. What all these are? Keywords. Tell me, without keywords, can you write a program? No. Next. Now observe now. Addition A, B, C. What these are? Wow, super. Identifier. Next, equal to plus. What these are? Mathematics, operators. Super. 10 to 20. Values, maths. According to programming, they are called literals. What they are called? Literals. 10 to 20 are what? Literals. Next, open bracket, closed bracket, semicolon. What these are called? What is called? Separators. What they are called? Separators. So totally, how many tokens are there in Java? Java has 5 tokens. Number 1, keywords, identifiers, operators, literals, separate. And tell me, a Java program, is it 1 line code, 2 lines code, 100 lines, 1000 lines? A Java program is divided into, or a Java program is developed in a combination of totally 5 tokens. Keywords, or you can start with what? Identifiers, keywords, literals, operators, separators. Tell me, who will tell this identifier is what type? Is it a class type, or is it a variable type, or is it a method type? Who will tell? Keyword will tell. So keyword will tell this identifier is a class or variable or method. And next, now if you create variable, I have to store value. What is the value we call? Literal. Whenever I am trying to create a variable, I have to store that value in a variable. For that, I need what? Operator. Next, once I create one statement, I want to separate first statement to second statement. I want to separate from one class to another class. I want to separate from one method to another method. For that, I required what? Separator. So without these 5 tokens, it is impossible for you create a small Bujji program, hello world program also. So you have to understand what is a token, how many types of token Java support. First point, what is a token? A token is the smallest unit in a program, okay, and it cannot be further divided. Tell me, in real life, you have any token? In real life, have you come across the word token in real life? No, no. Yes, sir, bhai. What is the token? Ayyo. When you park your bike, you are taking one token, na? When you park your car, token. When you put your luggage in a clock room, they're giving one token, na? Tell me. Using token, a big thing is identified. A big thing can be identified by using a token. A smallest unit in a program using which we identify a big program is called what? Token. This big program is identified as a class by using the token class. This big program is named by using a token called what? Addition. This variable is type is represented by the token what? Int. And this variable accessed by using the token identifier. Okay, so a token is understand how many tokens are there? 5 tokens. Nice. And tell me, how many? A token is the smallest unit a program that cannot be further divided. Using a token, we can identify programming elements and perform some operation. Java supports 5 types of tokens. And tell me how many identifiers are there? Identifiers. Okay, programming elements is nothing but identifier. How many programming elements are there? 8. How many programming elements? 8. Next class, Monday, I'm going to teach you that. How many keywords are there? 51. How many literals are there? 7. Reserved literals are 3. But total number of how many types of literals are there? 7. How many operators are there? Operations are 10. To perform those operations, 51 keywords. Operators are meant for not developing the program, to perform mathematical operation. Totally, how many operators are there? Plus, minus, like that. How many operators are there? 40. How many operators? 40. Separators. How many separators are there? Separators and open bracket, closed bracket. Open parenthesis, closed parenthesis. Open square bracket, closed square bracket. Dot, semicolon, colon, double colon, 12. How many are there? 12. Okay. Identifiers, actually I mentioned 9. This number is wrong. Okay. We have some more also added. Keywords I mentioned 50. And which version I was writing? According to which version this not there? 8 version. In Java 9 onwards we have 51. Literals 7. Operators 40. Separators 12. Okay. What are the list I have given here? Okay, na? I will upload these notes. I want you write. Very, very important point. There is a double colon which is given in Java 8 version, and there is a arrow. There is a arrow given in Java 8 version. Double colon people are calling it as a operator. Arrow people are calling it as a separator. People confused. Be careful. Okay. Double colon is not a operator in Java. It is a separator. Arrow is not a separator. It is a lambda expression operator. So these are 2 points you have to remember. Okay, now? Now our chapter finally we completed. These points I will upload the notes. Please copy today into your notebook. Don't leave them as the slides in the Google Classroom. Understand my point? All points I'll upload. You have to copy it so that it will be in a good idea. What is a comment? A comment is a special syntax. What the use of comment? For ignoring compilation and for providing description. How many types of comments are there? 3. Single line, multi-line, document. Program, FAQs we have understood. Next, what is identifier? Name of a programming element. What the use of identifier? It is used for providing name to the programming element and further accessing from other programming element. How many types of identifiers are there? Totally there are. Okay, let me count. Module. Module is there. Module. Next, package, class, interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation. Okay, na? And next, we have something called generic parameter and we have something called label. Totally, we have 10 programming elements. Okay, let me count once again. 10 identifiers are there. Identifiers is nothing but providing name. To whom I can provide name? Number one, module. To the module I have to provide name. Number two, package. Number three, interface. You cannot remember. Next Monday I can make you remember. Okay, interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation, record. Okay, na? And then following by label, generic parameter. So totally how many are there? 11. How many identifiers are there? 11. Types of identifiers? 11. Then what the rules we have to follow in creating identifier? 7 rules we have to follow. FAQs, identifying what is a valid identifier. Next, what is a keyword? Keyword is a reserved word. Every reserved word is a keyword? No. Every keyword is a reserved word? Yes. So what you should answer? A keyword is a predefined identifier which is reserved in Java language. So let's not say it is a reserved word because people may confuse. So it is a predefined identifier or it is a reserved word perform one unique operation in a Java program. Reserved words, just don't say reserved word and leave. You have to say reserved word perform one special operation in a Java program. What are the different operations we can perform by using keyword? 10 operations. What are the keywords listed? Totally how many keywords are there? 51 keywords. FAQs we have understood. Java 9 newly added keywords from Java 9 onwards. We have underscore as a keyword. We have 10 restricted keywords are there. And we have totally 67 reserved words are there up to which version? Java 9 version. Okay, in Java 10 version, 11 version, 12 version, extra more 3 keywords we got. Okay, then next, what is a reserved word? Number of reserved words. What is a reserved word? A word that is reserved in Java language and cannot be used by programmer as an identifier is called what? Reserved word. How many number of reserved words we have? 70 reserved words are there. What is the difference between reserved words and keywords? Reserved word doesn't perform any operation. Keyword perform what? Operation. So as a reserved keywords we have 51. As a contextual keywords reserved words we have what? 16. Next, what is a Java token? A smallest unit in the program that identifies the programming element from other programming elements is called what? Token. How many types of tokens we have? 5. What is a separator? A symbol that differentiate, a symbol that separate one programming element to another programming element is called what? Separator. How many separators we have? 12 separators. What are the 12 separators? Open parenthesis, open bracket, closed bracket, 2. Open bracket, closed bracket. Then next, open round bracket, closed round bracket. Next, round square bracket open, square bracket close. 6. Dot, dot, and next semicolon. Next, colon will be go under operator section. Okay, now colon will go operator section. Next, 3 dots. Okay, at the rate and double colon. Okay, totally there are 12. One more is there missing, comma. Okay, now comma. So totally 12 separators are there. Next, what is the where? In Java 10 version, we got where. In Java 12 version, I guess, we have yield. And in Java 14 version, we have record. 1 second, sir. 73. Okay, now totally how many reserved words are there? 73, not 70. Okay, next we have sealed. One more new, in Java 15 version, I guess, we got more 3 words called sealed, permit, non-sealed. There are 3 words are there. So totally how many reserved words are there? 73. Totally 73 are there. So already we have here 67. 67 we have, and here the 3 were yield record, along with this extra words also there. Okay, I will send the list of the keywords. You can follow it and make a notes. I clearly version numbers also I have mentioned clearly. Okay, so finally this is the chapter, most important chapter for you. You have to remember everything. Keywords, if you cannot remember also, no problem. Going on chapter by chapter we are learning, and at end of all chapters completed, again we will list out all the keywords. But you must compulsory practice comments, identifiers, keywords, basic points, and then compulsory you should understand token, separator, you have to remember. Okay, nobody? So this much we have to understand. List out the keywords, even if you not remember also, no problem. But you should have a notes. Okay. Leave 1.5 page, 1.5 paper. Leave 1.5 paper. 2 sides, more totally 3 sides you leave. 3 sides you leave. 3 sides you leave. Okay, na? I will upload all points after class completed. All are people ready? Shall I go next chapter now? Working with Edit Plus. Online students, any confusions, any doubts? Take it. Working with Edit Plus. Working with Edit Plus. Chapter number 3. Come on, guys. Come on, please. Working with Edit Plus. Which is settings? Arav Gupta, which is settings? Path class path. Why you want to know path class path now? Is there any problem running programs in your system? Then what is your problem? When I need, I will teach, okay? Listen. Demo video is not shared. Okay, I will share. Today I will share it, okay? Don't worry. Come on, guys, concentrate. What is Edit Plus? There you go. This is Edit Plus. Ma, please listen. What is Edit Plus? Yeah, this is Edit Plus. Okay, open this. Okay, open this. This is Edit Plus. Like Notepad, Edit Plus is also a editor software. Understood? Again repeating. Like Notepad, Edit Plus is also a one editor software. Editor software. Okay. When you have already Notepad, why we need Edit Plus? Okay. When you have cycle, why you need bike? Not cycle not having many benefits. It's just everything manual. You have to push the pedal, you have to balance everything you have to do. If you want to go up, slide up, okay, you cannot push the pedals that much fast. If you choose bike, it is providing some extra benefits. A lot of automation you are going to get, isn't it? Observe. Edit Plus is having some extra benefits in the development. Notepad doesn't provide any benefits. While developing the code, we need several extra typing help we required. First problem. Notepad is having several problems. First problem, there is no code template. Code template. What the code template means? Tell me. If you want to write a program, what is the minimum you have to type? Class, class name, open bracket, closed bracket, main method, SOPL. So that whenever I open Notepad, are you getting that code template? No. Second point. Tell me, whenever you are planning to type main method, when I press enter, control is coming to the beginning of the line. All are sleeping? All are focusing? Please, everyone focus. Don't talk to your friends. Don't focus on your mobiles. Topic is very important. If you don't listen, tomorrow onwards you will cry. Every day we are started using from today onwards. Every day we are using Edit Plus only. We are not using Notepad. Notepad jamana over. That is juniors level editor. Are you junior now? No, you are senior. Okay. Now you come. So you are coming to next level. You are now Java senior student. So Java senior, little bit more advanced topics we have to use. Observe, when I press enter here, cursor is coming the next line at the beginning. If you want to type a main method, you are bringing the cursor inside na? And then you started writing public static void main of string array args. Observe now, this is, and again you are pressing the close bracket. Shivani, why you are showing your talent? అసలు అదేం పిచ్చి మీకు అసలు అర్థం కాదు. Such a mad people are there in the market. They never want what faculty is giving. Always they want more other. Current eating food they never think. They always thinking about what? Next tomorrow coming food. You enjoy current food first of all. Tomorrow what is your food preparing by your mother? Why you are asking now? Mummy, what is tomorrow food? And slapping, right? First eat this food rasan. Sugar patients are more becoming diabetic. Did I teach that I don't teach Eclipse? Shivani Reddy? Reply fast, otherwise I'll remove you from the class. You're wasting my time. Okay, let me remove you. Huh? Then why you are asking question and sitting silently? If I say remove, then I'll respond. Huh? What are you studying? BSc. First, which year? I should ask one more question. Huh? Which branch you are studying in BSc? Statistics. You are not from CSE. BSc computers or no computers? Then how do you know Eclipse is there? Who told you Eclipse is there? Seniors, do one thing. Cut friendship with them. Till course completed, don't talk to them, okay? After course completed, talk to them. Who is your senior? Who is the senior to that senior? And I am not your senior. And you are believing your seniors. You are not believing me. Then why did you pay fees to me? Tell me. You can join your seniors course now. Why you join to me? Such a worst brains you are having. Always you will believe your seniors only. You never believe me. Then why did you join course? Okay, I'll be focus here. That's what I am saying. Listen, listen, listen. Don't ask any extra questions. Let me disable chat window. Okay, na? It's good, right? Online students, I disable chat. You cannot reply until I completed my explanation. Because daily I will do one thing. I will join the class, disable chat. So that you will only listen the class, don't ask extra questions. Because I am giving chance to post question, you are showing your talent. Come on, concentrate. What is the problem with Notepad? As a developer, I am expecting some fast development. What are the problems we have with Notepad? What are the advantage we have with advanced editors? What are the advantages with advanced editors? Number one, tell me now. First, whenever we are using Notepad, the first problem what we have, code template. Now I am going to write the requirement, typing requirement or development. Okay, so I can say typing requirement. Now Notepad. First editor, basic editor is what? Notepad. Tell me, Notepad is giving code template? No. Second, observe now, whenever I'm typing the code, here, open bracket after, when I press enter, closed bracket is coming at the beginning. Again, I have to push this inside to maintain proper vertical line alignment. This is called what? Alignment. The code alignment is technically called code indentation. What is called? Code indentation. Tell me, code indentation by default providing by the Notepad? No. Next problem. Third, sir, I am taking time for typing. I typed no problem. System dot out dot println of system dot out dot println double quotes high something I type. After typing my Java program, carefully observe, is there any color? Everything is what? Black and white. Is black and white will you like? That's why you are adding markup, no? For looking good, no? For looking more good, we are adding markup. So there is no syntax highlighting. Syntax highlighting, color. I want keywords in one color, predefined class names in one color. This is string, double quotes in one color. Different color, if it is there, I can easily identify what I am writing. Okay, sorry, that problem also there. Next one more problem is there. After typing my program completed, I want to save. For saving purpose, of course, I have to choose the folder. I am choosing the next folder, 03. What is that? Edit plus. Now, in Edit plus, I am saving the program. When I'm trying to type my program example, if I press enter, this file is saved as a Java file or text file? Text file. But I want to save as a Java file. That means, tell me, auto extension is there or not there? Not there. Fourth option is what? Auto.java extension support. Auto.java extension support not there. That also I only should give. Sir, I am giving that auto extension saved. After that, I want to compile program, execute program. Can I compile from this edit notepad window? If you take C developers, C language, you are compiling, executing from the same screen. But in Java, that facility is not there. All C, C++ developers coming to Java and telling, Java is very tough. Type somewhere, run somewhere. Okay. Then what is the meaning of it? Auto compilation and execution. Is there or not there? Not there. Auto compilation execution, not there. You have to open command prompt. Then change the drive, change directory, type Java C, type Java. Oh my God, how many commands I am compiling? So development, compilation, execution taking more time. Are you people are understanding the problems of Notepad? Tell me, still we have some more problem. One more problem is there. Let me write like this so that it's clear for you. Tell me. Everyone listen, visualize. I develop the program here, hi printing program. After compile execution completed, I change this hi to hello, went to the command prompt, compile, executed. Then you will get output hi or hello. Hey, come on, answer. You will get a hi or hello. Everyone, hi, hello. Come on, hi or hello na? Hi only you will get. Hello will not get. Why? Because we have not saved. Because I have not saved file. Tell me, what is the problem with Notepad? There is no auto saving. Auto saving option is not there. Okay. If I use Edit plus, auto saving option is there. Next, tell me. Seventh. Bhaiya, you are single finger typist, no? Single finger typist, right? I want to print both hi, hello. What will you do? Will you type again that line or copy paste? Tell me how to copy paste. Control C. Excellent. Control C. Then Control V. Hey, what you said, Ramama? This line, this system dot outer println, I want to copy paste. What you said? Control C I pressed. Then Control V pressed. Huh? And then why you are showing your talent? Always you will say half of answer. Start from the middle. Eclipse. They don't want to come in a flow. Always they want to learn after 50%, 60% completed. They wanted to learn. Then who will learn the first beginning 60%? Now tell me the flow. First, select. Select not there. There is no option select. Select. Where are you select? Mouse. Evrram ide? How to select? With mouse select one more. Select is a command is there on the keyboard. First you come to somewhere. My control is somewhere here. Then I have to bring to that line. I have to bring the cursor to that line. Go home. First up arrow, down arrow. Then home key you have to press. Then shift end. Okay na? Then Control C. Then Control V. If I press Control V, there only paste it. What to do? Go to next line. Press enter. That line gone. Understand how many commands I am pressing? Then press the end key. You have to go to end of the line. Then enter. Then paste. Oh my God. For one line copy paste, these many commands I am using. Then if 100 lines, if you want to copy paste, I'll take 1 day time. Na? So now tell me. In a development, I need many times copy paste. Then tell me here, duplicate line. What we call copy paste is technically called what? Duplicate line. Tell me, can I duplicate line automatically? No. I have to use a lot of commands I have to use. Next, everyone look at here. Everyone look at here. Who are you? Single finger typist. Then while you are typing, you are searching where is S, Y, S, T, E, M, dot, O, U, T, dot, P, R, I, N, T, L, N. Hey. Understand the problem? While typing, you look at only keyboard. You don't see screen. What characters coming, you don't know. After typing all the complete line, caps lock is coming. Then what to do? I want shortcut. I mean lowercase I want. Do you have any shortcut in the notepad to convert them to lowercase? No. You have to delete it, type again. Now what is the option? Case change. Case change option not there. Tell me, all these are important or not? As a developer, daily you are working with these shortcuts required. But are those shortcuts available here? No. Sometimes, observe, sometimes I want to delete this line. How to delete this entire line? I want to delete only one word. How to delete? If you want to delete one line, I have to select and delete. Get out. I don't want extra operations. I don't want to do. What I should do? Delete word and delete line. Option support is there or not there? Not there. And what all this means? What? Shortcut. Shortcut for duplicate line, not there. Shortcut for case change, not there. Shortcut for delete word or delete a line, not there. Okay. Next, very, very, very important. Inserting date and time. Many times in the program, I need to insert today date, I need to insert today time. Is that facility available? No, you have to type. And last but not least, most danger. Here, I have typed many times. Many lines I have typed, okay? Many lines I have typed. I want to remove the system. Only system I want to remove. And I have to select only system, na? This is called what? Column selection. But what is happening here? Row selection. I want only column selection. Column selection. Column selection. Facility is there or not there? Not there. Like this, there are so many problems are there with the notepad. So tell me, how to overcome all these problems? Tell me. What her name? I forgot. Shivani Reddy. Amma, Shivani Reddy. How can we solve all these problems? Tell me. By using Edit Plus. Tell me. Is Edit Plus providing solution to all these problems? Yes. 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 Okay. Again, I am telling you all the students. You want to buy curry, rice from the hotel or you want to prepare yourself? Two options are there. Option number one, buy a preparer. You should learn how to prepare. If you learn how to prepare curry, how to prepare biryani rice and everything, when you are busy, I can go and buy from the hotel. Eclipse is providing full-fledged development environment. You no need to do anything. Click button 1, click button 2, click button 3, code will come. 100 lines of the code by using Eclipse, I can develop in 2 minutes. Understand? 100 lines of the code using Eclipse, I can develop in 2 minutes. The 2 minutes also taking time for button click only. Ante. Drag and drop, button clicks. If I teach you drag and drop button clicks, when you go to interview will give you white paper, write a program. I am button click programmer. What nonsense are you taking? If you give the white paper, how can I give? Give me Eclipse. Eclipse, sir. No Eclipse. Write a program. Get out. I don't write. Understand the problem? I should make you not a dependent developer. I should make you independent developer. I should not make you depend on Eclipse. That's why first I started talking with a notepad. Then I need a little bit advanced development. These all with all these shortcuts. For that, I am going for Edit Plus. So finally, tell me, what is a Edit Plus? Edit Plus is a Edit Plus. This is the syllabus. What is Edit Plus? Why Edit Plus? That's why it is saying what? Plus. Plus means what? Extra features. What is Edit Plus? Why Edit Plus? When should we choose Edit Plus? How can we get Edit Plus? Create a text file, Java file, other program files by using Edit Plus. Configuring compiler and JVM software in Edit Plus. Creating, saving, compiling, executing a program in Edit Plus. Changing font and size in Edit Plus. Other different configuration in Edit Plus. Of course, shortcuts in Edit Plus. First point. What is the Edit Plus? An Edit Plus is a text editor software. There are two editor softwares are there. Text editor and image editor. Edit Plus, can I use Edit Plus for reading the image? No. Only I can read what? Text. Edit Plus is a text editor software like Notepad. It is used for developing text files and also any other language based programs also. Tell me, using Edit Plus, can we develop only Java program? No. Any other programming language programs, .NET program, HTML program, Python program, PHP program, JavaScript program, any kind of program you can develop. Why should we use Edit Plus when you have already Notepad? Edit Plus will provide different shortcut techniques to achieve fast development compared to Notepad. Tell me, is Edit Plus providing inbuilt code to you? No. Is it providing any buttons to generate the code? No. It provides only shortcuts like duplicate, compile, execute, duplicate line, change case, like, some code syntax highlighting, some better. Edit Plus is better than Notepad. We'll get good look and feel while developing the code. Okay. Next, when should we use Edit Plus? When we must use Edit Plus for creating and reading text files. Edit Plus is not suitable for creating and reading doc files and image files. Text files, program files, if you want, then you can use Edit Plus. Then tell me, is Edit Plus by default available in your system? No. What are the problems of Notepad? Those forces us to use Edit Plus or some other advanced editor softwares like Notepad plus plus, TextPad, etc. When you have Notepad inbuilt, why extra software I have to install and use? There are several problems are there. I listed out. Doesn't provide Java program default template. Doesn't provide code syntax highlighting. Doesn't provide code indentation. Cannot add a .java extension automatically. Doesn't provide compilation execution options. Doesn't support moving to source file automatically, doesn't support auto compilation, doesn't support displaying line numbers, doesn't support characters case change. Like there are so many problems are there. To overcome all these problems, we come to what? Edit Plus. Then Edit Plus software is providing solution to all above problems. So for developing sample programs as part of your learning process, it is highly recommended to use Edit Plus or Notepad plus plus or TextPad. But Edit Plus is more better features are there than Notepad and TextPad. Looking wise, Edit Plus is good. Code looking wise and developing wise, Edit Plus is better than Notepad plus plus and TextPad. Okay. Then is the Notepad by default available in your system? No. Then how can we get Edit Plus? Download and install latest version Edit Plus software from the website? editplus.org. Now let us go now. Open browser, Chrome. Like how you install JDK, same way you install Edit Plus also. Type Edit Plus download. Then Google will show you the website to download. Click on download. Download free trial. Then tell me, is Edit Plus a free software or licensed software? Licensed software. It is a licensed version software. You buy licensed or you must use 30-day trial version or you can. What do you do? Will you buy license? No. You must use only for 30-day trial version. After 30 days completed, what to do, sir? I'll show you. 1 minute. A deleter. No. Edit Plus is distributed as shareware. You can download the evaluation version and try it for 30 days. You must find useful and decide to keep using Edit Plus after supporting operating systems. Then, my dear Mac users, you cannot use Edit Plus. Edit Plus will not work in Mac and Linux. Only it will work in Windows. Then for Mac users, what is the editor software? Brackets. What is that? Brackets. Brackets, one more software is there. You can use that. Edit Plus 5.7 is the latest version. Download Edit Plus 5.7, 64-bit. Click on it. It will download. It's a budgie software. Within 2 seconds, 3 seconds, it will download completed. Then after downloading, what you do? Click install. Okay, 1 minute. I want to uninstall the Edit Plus software available in my system. Any objection? Objection over. Uninstalling, installing, both are very simple, easy, fast, completed. Edit. Now I am installing. Look at there. Everyone, watch. Accept. Yes. One more license. Edit. Running. Run one more time. Install one more. Accept. Click yes. Hey. Ma? Hey. Edit Plus, I'll not install it. Not found. Okay. Now let me go to downloads page. Let me download again. Edit Plus, download. Click on this. Then click on this download. Download completed. Click on this. Accept. Look at here, please. It is showing some options. Don't do any changes. It's installing program files edit plus, let it install. Start copy. Completed installation. That much fast installation complete. After installation completed, on your desktop, you will see one shortcut to open edit plus. Understand? Download install is just 2-3 seconds work. Go to browser, search for edit plus download, then click on the download button, then click on the exe file, click start and type in. Installation completed. After installation completed, on your desktop, you will find edit plus icon. This is the edit plus icon. Double click on it. This is the first screen will open. Click on yes. And click on OK. Don't do any changes. Whatever buttons coming, just click on yes, yes, yes. It is asking username and password. Will you enter? No. You have to click on try. Okay, na? Windows 7, Babu. Windows 7 is outdated. Upgrade to Windows 10 or 11. Look. When I click on trial version, 30-day evaluation period has expired. It's already remembering that installation is over in my system. Already 30 days back I installed. Even I have reinstalled also, it is remembering that I already installed. Then how to work with this? In your system, when you click on trial button, you will get this same screen, small screen. Just click on I agree, it will glow. For how many days? 30 days. After 30 days, if you click, it is asking what? Buy it. I don't want to buy. Very simple. This is screen there now, using mouse. You can hold it, right? At corner, you can hold and then take it down, take it down, take it down, take it down, hide it. Adhyaksha, understood? After 30 days completed, what should we do? Open edit plus. It is asking you to buy. Yeah, I don't want to buy. Hide this screen. You can continue using it. I don't know why edit plus people have forgot that, okay? No need to crack, no need to do anything. Just hide that window, it will work. And now tell me, I want to develop new program. Then go to file. Like Notepad, it is not an editor window. It is an unediting window. Why it is not direct edit window? Notepad meant for developing text file. But edit plus meant for developing only text file, different types of programs. So you have to tell which type of program you want to develop. File, new, normal text coming. File, new. Everyone look at here. You want to develop what program? Java. Ready? Everyone looking at the screen? Abracadabra. Look at that. Complete code is coming or not? What I should do? Just type your class. Watch. How much intelligent this edit plus software developer? File, new, Java, where cursor is blinking. After class with space. Just you type your name, class name, example. Observe. Malli Peddi Pavan is the same as Pavan Kalyan. Malli Peddi Pavan is same as Pavan Kalyan. Are both same? You have common sense there, you don't have common sense here. That is different software, this is a different software. Na? That's why names are different. Notepad, edit plus, okay? Come on, tell me. Class example. Now look at there. Class example, I have typed. Next duty, look at it. Complete program is ready, na? What are the problems? First problem is what? Code template. Yes. Second problem is what? Code indentation. Observe. Code indentation maintaining or not? Third problem, syntax highlighting. Look at that. All classes are in blue color. Predefined class in red color. String is in pink color. Correct my point? Next. Auto.java extension. Now I am saving this program. Save with name. Example. Where in our folder. Edit plus. Here I am saving. Observe. I have given only the name as what? Example. Click on save. Here, magnifier. What the extension added? .java. Did I add .java? No. Automatically add. Clear my point? Now, what is the point you need to understand? Edit Plus is providing several shortcut options so that our development will be fast. Next. Next option is what? After saving, I want to compile and execute. Tell me, once you install Edit Plus software, if I want to compile Java program, I have to compile it. Here means I have to press some shortcut. Then is the shortcut automatically will work? Look, Control 1, some shortcut I press. Control. Oh my God, I got output. Abracadabra, compile. Abracadabra, execute. In your system will work? In my system working. In your system will it work? No. No, sir, why in your system working? Why in my system not working? In my system already I done configurations. Are you catching my point? In my system I have done already configurations. In your system, configurations are not there. If you want to compile Java program in Edit Plus or you want to execute Java program in Edit Plus, you have to do some configurations. How to do configuration? Observe. First, you should go to Tools. I'll give you notes. Don't write. Anna Bujit. Detail notes I'll give. Take into your brain. Asala, why you are getting tension? Amma, notes. How to remember, you have to find a solution. There are so many menus are there. If you want to do configurations, I have to choose menu only, na? How many menus are here? File, edit, view, search, document, project, tools, browser. There are so many menus are there. What you want to configure? Java, C, Java. Tell me, Java, C, Java are nothing but what? Tools I told you, na? So go to Tools. There is an option called Configure User Tool. What is the first option? Tool. Next one is what? Configure User Tool. In a Configure User Tool, by default, you will have group 1. I am choosing group 19 because in group 1 already I configured the tools. Group 19 I am choosing. You don't need to change here. Here I have to configure. First step, what I have to do? Add a tool. Click on Program. Which program you want to configure? Compiler. Whatever the name you are providing, that name will be visible to you. Compiler. The next one is what? Command. What is the command for compiler? You know what is the command? Java C. You have to select Java C from the JDK software install directory. How? Click on this browse button. Then go to C drive. Go to JDK 21. Go to JDK 21. In JDK 21, you select what? Bin. Inside bin, carefully you select Java C. Complete notes I'll give. Just focus on how to remember. Click on Open. Then automatically file will be open. Repeat once again. What should I do? First step. Tools. Configure user tools. And here by default you will have group 1. Let it be group 1. Then add a tool. Program. Type what? Compiler. Then command. Command what you have to press? Browse button. Click on the browse button. Select C drive. Select JDK 21. Select bin. And then Java C. Select Java C. Click on Open. When you click on Open, complete path is visible to you. Complete path is selected and placed. Everyone able to see that? Then tell me, just with Java C, can you compile the program? No. I need the file name. Na? The file name is called what? Argument. After Java C, what you type? File name. The file name is called argument. Click on this drop down menu. You will find options here. Choose one option. Which option is suitable? File name. Select the file name. It will come like this. Once again, let me do that. Argument. Click on this drop down. When I click on drop down, we get what? File name. Click on file name. That file name is selected. Initial directory, the directory where your file is available, file directory. So what completed? Compilation completed. Can you configure JVM now? What should I do? Come on, again. Add tool, program, JVM. Any name you can give here. I am giving JVM. What is the command for JVM? Java. Click on the browse button. Already you selected JDK bin folder path earlier, na? Same path will be open. Carefully here select what? Java, open. Okay. Then click on argument. Tell me, what is the argument to Java? Is it file name or class name? Class name. Observe, is there any class name option? Is there any class name option? There or not there? Babu Bhaiya. ఎక్కడ ఉన్నావు? నిద్రలో ఉన్నావా? మరేంది ఓ అంటున్నా? నువ్వు ఒళ్ళు నిప్పుడుతున్నావు బాగా గట్టిగా? ఏమిరా నువ్వు? క్లాస్ tell me. So your generation people are really such a peculiar people, Rav. No interest on the life. Okay, na? No seriousness on the life. Okay, no learning approach. I don't know why you are this much careless, focusless. Fees కట్టాం కాబట్టి క్లాస్కి వెళ్ళాం కూర్చున్నాం అంతే అయిపోయింది కదా. క్లాస్లో కూర్చొని ఒళ్ళిరుస్తున్నావు ఏంట్రా భయ్? ఎటు వెళ్ళిపోయింది బ్రెయిన్? పంపించేశావు. ఎక్కడ పంపించావు? లవర్ లేదు, వైఫ్ లేదు, ఇంకెక్కడికి పంపించావు? Choose. What is the right option here? File name is there or not there? Not there. What is the right option? File name without extension. Example.java. If I remove exam.java extension, the remaining is what? Class. So what should I do? I have to select what? File name without extension. Then file directory, initial directory, apply. Sir, what is the pre-run option? Do nothing. Leave that empty. So tell me, compiler configuration is over. JVM configuration is also over. Click on OK. Then go back here. Check for tools. Which group I have selected for your batch? 20. Then go to 20 option. Look at their tools. Look at their compiler. JVM. What the shortcut for compiler? What the shortcut for JVM? Control. So you have to do all these configuration in your system. File name means with extension, brother. File name means with extension. You are understood wrong. Okay. Now look at here. After developing this program, you want to compile. Do I require to open command prompt? No. Do I require to change the path? No. Directly what should I do? Control 1. Look, your program is compiled. Press any key to continue means. Is there any error? No error. No error. Next. Control 2. Executed. Output come. So tell me, your development, compilation, execution is become faster than the notepad or not? How the development is fast? Indentation you are not maintaining. How become compilation fast? No need to open command prompt. Directly you will press control 1. Directly execute control 2. Understood? Right. Then now look at this point. Problem also solved. Auto saving option. Look, I am changing hello world to hello. Look at here. There is an option called what? Star option here. Star means what? Saved or not saved? Not saved. The moment when I press control 1, observe, star gone. Gone? That means what? Saved, compiled, execute. When I execute, what happened? Output will come hello world or hello na? Hello. Everyone understand? So tell me, is edit plus providing auto saving option? Auto saving option also provided. Now I no need to focus on saving. Next, I want a hello, also I want a hi. Then what to do? Go to home, select, copy, end, presenter, paste. All these gamma gone. We are using what? Edit plus. Abracadabra. Nigga, line is coming. One more time say abracadabra. What is the shortcut for abracadabra? What is the shortcut for magic for copying one line? Control J. What is the shortcut? Control J. Last batch, one student asked me, sir, as you said, I press Control J, but J is coming, sir. Tell me what he did. Control, bhaiya, Control J. What is coming? J comes. Array, control is a combination key. Combination means press Control, hold, should not release. Then press only J. Control J means copy paste line. Everyone understand? Now, I am going to write. Okay, compiled it, executed, output coming, hello. Now I am going to write my name. Hari Krishna. Tell me, all characters in lowercase. I want to convert it to uppercase. Caps lock. Hey, caps lock and I have to type. Already type is completed. Now I want to change to uppercase. Uppercase U, Control U. Lowercase, Control L. Control U, Control L. I want only every word first letter is capital letter. Control Shift U. What shortcut? Control Shift U. Control U, Control L, Control Shift U. Clear my point? I don't want all characters uppercase, lowercase. I want only this S should be uppercase. Then place the cursor before S. Control K. What is the shortcut? Control K. Ammo, these many shortcut, how can I remember? I don't know. Daily practice will come, okay? Don't worry. Next coming 1 month, we are using Edit Plus only. Daily we are using, automatically your mind will start, remember it. So tell me once again, what is the compilation shortcut? Control 1. Execution shortcut? Copy line shortcut? Uppercase? Lowercase? Title case? What is the meaning of title case? Every word first letter is capital letter is the title case. Title case? Control Shift. Inverted case and one character lower to upper, upper to lower. Control K. Control K. Okay. Now I want to insert date. Control D. What is the shortcut? Control D. I wanted to insert long date. Control Shift D. Control Shift D here. Not coming up. Shift D. Alt D. Achha. I forgot. Control Alt D. Hey. I forgot. This is a zoom option is coming there. Splitting. Which line is coming? That line is coming here. Achha. Close. Hey. It is not Edit Plus option, right? It is Windows option. Windows split the screen into 2 screens now. Amma, Control Shift D. Online students, do you know how to solve this? Amma? It's not magnifier. Oh, magnifier gone. Oh. Okay, thank you. So magnifier option showing differently. Okay, nice. So now tell me yes. Now I forgot the shortcut. Then where I can find shortcuts? All these shortcuts are part of Edit Plus only, na? Look, Edit. In Edit option, we have, look, insert. What is that? Date. Control D. Date long date. Control Alt D. Control Alt D. But when I take Control Alt D, magnifier is on. That's why Windows giving first option to magnifier. Okay. So Control Alt D. Now the long date coming 23rd February 2024. All these options, should I remember or not? It's up to you. If you don't want to remember, don't remember. Because as a faculty, I have to teach. I'm teaching. That's it. Edit option. You go. All the options are here. Now look at there. I want to delete one word. Alt delete. I want to delete one line. Alt Shift delete. Okay. I want to format. Change the case. Here somewhere. Change case. Change case. Not there. Convert. Yeah. Convert. Uppercase, lowercase, inverted case, and capitalized case. Next, insert date, long date, time. I want insert the time. How to insert the time? Control M. I want insert long time. Control Alt M. Not working. Windows option it is taking. What is that? Insert. Control Shift M. Okay. It is what? Control Shift M. Long time is coming with milliseconds. So these options are necessary for you for faster development. Just a few options are there. If you remember, everything will be easy for you. So finally, we concluded that case change, delete word, insert date and time. Column selection. Suppose I want to remove all the system. To remove all system, keep cursor here, Alt C. What is that? Alt C. Then move the left side, left arrow. How much you wanted? Left arrow. Okay. Left arrow, down, 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 down. Understood? Delete, deleted. Okay. Now, in place of system, I want to type something else. Look at here. Again, Alt C, down arrow, press enter. Then selection will be done. Now again, Alt C, down arrow, and I want to change its system to something called something XYZ. I want to type. Just to type XYZ. Everything is changed or not? So this option is very important in the coming days. Okay. Now finally, what did you understand? The most important, at least two shortcuts you got to remember. Number one, Control plus 1. What is that? Compilation. Is the compilation automatically built done now? We have to configure. We have to configure. It is not automatic. It's not automatically will come. You have to configure. Okay, let's write configure. Next, I want execute. What the shortcut? Control to execute. Next, I wanted to J. Control J. What is this? Copy paste. I can say duplicate like. No need to configure. Inbuilt is there. I want to change case. Control U. Uppercase. Next, Control L. Lowercase. Next, Control Shift plus U. What is this? Title case. Next, Control K. What is this? Inverted case. Next, Control D. Control D for date. Control Alt D. Control Alt D, long date. Next, Control M. Time. Control Shift M. Long time. All these are control. Alt plus D. Delete word. Alt Shift plus D. Delete line. Suppose I want to delete this word. Select it. Alt D. Oh, it's going document. Alt delete, sorry. Not D, sorry. Alt delete. Alt delete, na? Check once. Yeah, Alt delete. Now, suppose if you want to delete system, select the system, Alt delete. Oh, it is deleting after D. Okay. After cursor position, whatever there, that is deleting. Okay. Now if you type here, alt delete, println is delete. Okay, no need to select. I want to delete complete line. Alt, shift, delete. Complete line is delete. Clear my point? Next. Now, alt plus C. For that purpose, what? Select column. Plus up or down or, sorry, left or right arrow plus up or down arrow. This word column selection. Next, observe here. I want to move this line from here to here. Then what is the option here? Select, cut, paste. No, I don't want. I want shortcut for move. Alt, shift, up arrow, alt, shift, down arrow. Understood? What is the shortcut? Alt, shift, up arrow, alt, shift, down arrow. Now tell me. Alt plus, shift plus, up or down arrow. This is for moving lines to up and down. If you want two lines, then select two lines. These two lines I want to move up. Alt shift up, alt shift down. Clear? All these are useful options or not? Are these options available in edit plus notepad? No. Edit plus shortcuts. So can I expect all the people are comfortable with edit plus now? Now tell. I wanted to write a if condition. Observe. I want write if. What you do? If space. Automatically code is coming or not? In future, I want to write while loop. What you write? While space. Syntax coming or not? In future, I want to write for loop. For space. Automatic syntax is coming. I want to write try catch, try space. Look at that. Try catch automatically coming. Are you happy? So it will provide lot of shortcuts for us to write the code. This is the advantage of Edit Plus. It is better than Notepad. So from today onwards, next chapter's development, we are using Edit Plus. Sir, I want to develop one more program. What to do? For that, file, new, Java. One more file is created. Take it as a sample. Save with the name what? Sample.java. Java not required. Okay. Now, be in this editor window, control 1. Compile. Which class compile? Sample. Control 2. Which class compile? Sample. Output is coming. Hello world. Hello sample. Some message I'm writing. Save it. Sir, I want one more class. Okay. File, new, Java. Now this class name is what? A. Now I'm writing here what? Hello A. Control 1. Compile. Save it first of all. A. Control 1. Compile. Compile. Control 2. Executed. What output coming? Hello A. Sleeping? Understand? Sir, how can I go back to the sample.java? Sir, previous. Use mouse. Use mouse. Correct? Magnifier. Observe. Each Java program is internally creating as what? One tab. Each class you are writing is internally created as a tab. Look at that. Edit plus.java, then edit plus example.java. Look at that. Example open. Sample.java, sample open. A.java, A open. Everyone following? Understood what I'm saying? So tell me, what is the advantage of Edit Plus? I can develop multiple Java files in a single window. Then how can I move from one tab to another tab? These are called what? Tab. What the shortcut? Shortcut is Control T. What is the shortcut? Control T. Moving from one Java file to another Java file. That is Control T, Control T, Control T. Sir, now I want to go forward. Control T, Control T. Example, sample A. Sir, I want to go to backward. Tell me. Control Shift back. Control Shift tab. Control Shift tab. If you want forward direction, Control tab. If you want backward direction, Control Shift Tab. Tell me the shortcuts here. Little boring class today, no problem. Tell me. Control plus Tab. For what purpose? Moving to next program. Control plus Shift plus Tab. Moving to previous program. So every daily whatever the shortcuts I will use in the class, all shortcuts I have clearly mentioned here. So it's the time you people have to practice. Will you practice? Let me share all these points to you. Arey yaar, what happened? Okay, look at here, please. In your system, after saving your Java file, in your system, you will get, along with the .java files, .class files, you will also get one special file called backup file. Okay, that backup file is created by Edit Plus. Now look at that, all points are covered under Edit Plus topic list, table of content, problems of Notepad, need of advanced editor, what is an editor, Edit Plus, what is the use of it, advantages of Edit Plus, how to install Edit Plus, procedure to develop a program in Edit Plus, procedure to save a program in Edit Plus. Do I need to mention extension? Not required. Can I compile and execute a program in Edit Plus by default? No. Configuring compiler and JVM in Edit Plus. Next, compiling and executing a program directly in Edit Plus. Possible or not? Yes. Now tell me, when you compile program, there is a chance we'll get compile time errors. Yes. There's a problem. There is a chance we'll get runtime error. Yes. How compile time errors, runtime errors will be shown in Edit Plus? Suppose I am removing. Let me remove this entire thing. Suppose I am removing semicolon here. Then compile time error. Like how old command prompt showing error, same it will show. Example.java error semicolon expected. Understand my point? Now we have to place semicolon, the problem will be solved. Last batch, one student did one mistake. Look at here, all people. Maybe you also do that. Control 1, compile. He is doing Control 2 on the same window. Control 1, compile na? This is compilation window. What he is telling? Press any key to continue. But what this student did mistake, he is pressing Control 2 for execution. Where you have to press Control 2? On command prompt window na? Or on Edit Plus? He did mistake on what? Command prompt window. That is wrong. Okay, you have to close this and come back to command prompt window to press Control 2. Always you use enter key to close the window. Next point. Next, compilation and execution showing errors. Rule in developing a class with respect to Edit Plus. All the people tell me, In first chapter, we have learned already. Suppose I am creating one more Java file. Okay, file, new, Java. Here I am taking Java file name as XYZ. Class name as what? XYZ. I am saving Java file name with the name x.java. Everyone tell me. X.java. If I compile this program, compiler software compiling with what Java file? X.java. Dot class file name is generated with what name? XYZ. Control 1, compile. What is the dot class file name generated? XYZ. When you press Control 2, edit plus is considering the class name or considering the file name? What is the configuration you have done, Bhaiya? What the configuration you have done here? File name for compiler. JVM file name without extension. That means what is the command background preparing? The given command Java. The given command Java. File name without extension. File name is what? xyz.java. Without extension, what is coming? X. Then JVM searching for x dot class na. Understand? Again repeating. What is the configuration you have done here? When I press Control 2, edit plus software taking your configuration. What the configuration you have done? Command is what? Java. Edit plus software taken Java. Following by file name without extension. What the file name? X.java. Without extension is what? X. Now this is the command executed for your Control 2. Tell me. JVM searching for a class with what name? X. Available or not available? Not available. Can JVM execute your program or cannot execute? Cannot execute. Control 2, you got error. Could not find or load main class. So tell me, what is the rule in compiling and executing Java program directly in edit plus? Class name and Java file name must be same. So that dot class file name will be same as a Java file name. Hence, JVM will execute your program. That is the rule. Is it a Java rule or edit plus rule? Edit plus rule. Edit plus procedure to create. Okay. Rule in developing a class with respect to edit plus Java file name and class name must be same. Then procedure for creating multiple Java files. What the procedure? Just file new Java. Again, file new Java. Edit plus shortcuts I shown you. Stopping backup files creation. Whenever you install edit plus, backup files are created. Observe. Go to files. Here by default, it will come configuration like this. When I compile this edit plus, automatically background in the folder, one special file is created called, where is this file? Let me check once again. Preferences, file, create backup file, apply. Okay. I have to do some change. Save it. Look at that. The moment when I save the program, background, look at there, one extra file is created. This is useless. That's why in edit plus the first step, tools, then go to configure user tools, file, uncheck this. Create backup file when saving, you have to uncheck. All these slides also I will share. Okay. What are all you have to do? Installing. Then what are the changes you have to do? Slides also I will share. You have to work out on this. So this is the story about edit plus all points. Final conclusion. Did you understand how to install Eclipse, edit plus in your system? How to open edit plus in your system? How to open on the desktop? You will find this file. Open this. Then it will show you this screen. 30 days you click on I agree. After 30 days, hide. Then next, do you understand how to create a Java file? Yes, file, new Java. Now type here what? Something called P. Save it. With what name? Just give what? P. After saving, I want to compile. What should I type? Control 1. If I press Control 1, automatically compile in your system? No. You have to configure. How to configure? Tools, user configure tools, and then select the add tool, and then type compiler, select the Java C, argument file name, and then initial directory. Repeat for JVM also. Okay, then compilation is completed. So development, compilation, execution completed. You have to remember few shortcuts. That's it. So this is the story about edit plus. Can I start using Edit Plus from tomorrow? Will you work? Will you practice and come? Complete notes, whatever I am sharing today in these two folders, I want you make a notes and come. Okay, I will share now. Comments, identifier, keywords, notes. Comments already notes written. Identifiers notes already written. Keywords notes also written. List of 70 keywords you have to write. That list I am sending now. Make a note. And then tokens notes you have to write. Separators notes you have to write. That's it. Then following by edit plus notes also you have to write. Okay. After writing the center notes, tomorrow we will start the new chapter. What the tomorrow chapter? Now logical programming to launch base is completed. It's a time we have to start working on programs. Tomorrow we are going to start understanding how to build a logic. To build the logic, what are the different steps we have to follow? And then 3 programming concepts you have to learn: data types, operators, control flow statements. That is what next week learn. Tomorrow we will complete data types. Monday onwards, we are trying to understand operators and control flow statements, mathematical based programs, pattern based programs, how to work we are going to learn. Clear? By end of next week, means 4 months, 1 month completed. By end of next week, 4 weeks. This is third week. This is the third week. By end of next week completed, means 1 month completed, 4 weeks. I want everyone should able to write programs. That is what my target. All are ready for it? Next, after end of next week completed onwards, daily I will share you assignment programs you have to work at home. Understand? I will continue object-oriented programming. Parallel to object-oriented programming, you should start developing programs. Daily assignments, I'll give logical programs to develop. In your batch, I targeted minimum 500 logical programs we want to develop. Ready? By end of our core Java completed, if anybody asks any kind of mathematics based program, you should be able to confidently write the code. Okay. So we have a lot of works for the next 2.5 months. So expecting everyone to be more cautious. So more activeness must be there, more hard work you have to do. So come to the class every day by studying given class notes so that next class will be easy for you. Today, if you postpone to tomorrow, tomorrow become more difficult. Okay, Nana? Right. Thank you. That's all for today class. ఎందుకు జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదు?